Many thoughts of hatred, lust, pride, jealousy, etc. arise in the mind, sometimes so overwhelmingly strong that it is impossible to hold or focus one's mind during meditation, becoming lost in distractions instead. Anger arises very often and is usually directed towards someone who threatens one's physical existence. When situations like this occur, imagining that one is giving one's own body to those who are angry and threaten one's life severs attachment to a self. Then the mind is collected. Therefore, outer PHET is the practice of maintaining a steady mind so that thoughts do not carry one away. Inner PHET serves to dispel dull states of mind. Heavy and wild thoughts distract more obviously than subtle thoughts, but drowsiness and dullness also lead astray.